Chapter 8, A Flash of Light. Question answers in complete explanation in Hindi. Words. Word meanings. First word, avoid. To keep away from. किसी चीज़ को दूर रखना अपने से, avoid करना. Cobbled. Made up with cobblestones, small rounded stones used for paving streets. स्टोन से बना हुआ जो रास्ते पे स्ट्रीट्स पे लगाए जाते हैं स्टोन्स वो. डिस्टिंग्विश. बी अवेयर ऑफ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू आर मोर पीपल और थिंग. दो चीज़ों के बीच में डिफरेंस. डोनेट. डोनेट टू गिव आर प्रेजेंट समथिंग स्पेशली फॉर अ गुड कॉज. किसी को कोई चीज़ देना किसी अच्छे कॉज के लिए. फ्रैंक. A French coin with worth 100 centimes. ये फ्रांस की कॉइन है. Perfect. To make something as good as possible. किसी चीज़ को बनाना अच्छा, जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना. Represent. To stand for something. किसी चीज़ को आगे होके दिखाना, समझाना. Soft-hearted, kind. Sue. A French coin no longer in use, जो अभी यूज़ में नहीं हुए. Worth 1/20 of the franc. फ्रैंक का 1/20 हिस्सा होता है. Trample. To tread heavily on something or somebody so as to cause damage or injury. किसी को डैमेज या इंजरी कॉज करना. Comprehension. Question answers. First question. Where was Valentine and what was he thinking about? Valentine was walking down the street on a cold day. एक ठंडे दिन पे वैलेंटाइन स्ट्रीट से जा रहे थे. Thinking about the warm room and the glowing fire that would greet him on his arrival at home. जो अपने घर की गर्माहट को सोच रहे थे जब वो घर पहुंचेंगे तो उन्हें जैसा लगेगा. How did Valentine come to meet the beggar? Valentine met the beggar when he stepped onto the pavement to avoid being trampled by the horses pulling a carriage and heard a rustling sound behind him. Next question. How much money did Valentine give to the beggar? Valentine ने कितने पैसे beggar को दिए? Valentine gave the beggar a franc. Why did the beggar call Valentine back again? The beggar called Valentine back again because he thought that the Valentine had given the beggar a franc instead of a sou. यहाँ के कुछ वर्ड पेंसिल से लिखे हुए हैं. How did the blind beggar know what the coin was? The blind beggar knew what the coin was by passing his finger over its raised surface. How was Valentine able to start a school for the blind? The Valentine was able to start the school for the blind with the help of money donated by the public. लोगों के द्वारा दिए हुए पैसे से वैलेंटाइन ब्लाइंड्स के लिए स्कूल खोल पाए. What is Braille? Braille क्या है? Braille is a system of writing especially for the blind perfected by the Louis Braille. ये एक सिस्टम है लिखने का जो एक लुइस ब्रेल के द्वारा बनाया गया था ब्लाइंड्स के लिए. द अल्फ़ाबेट इज़ मार्क्ड बाय रेज्ड डॉट्स ऑन स्टिफ पेपर. एक स्टिफ पेपर पे डॉट्स को रेज करके अल्फ़ाबेट्स बनाए जाते हैं. विच ब्लाइंड पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टच ऑफ देयर फिंगर. दिस इज टच ऑफ देयर फिंगर. फिंगर के टच से ब्लाइंड पीपल इसको समझ पाते हैं. Which are some of the common words that have Braille symbol each? Some of the common words that have Braille symbol each are and, it, if, for, the. When Valentine first met the beggar, why did he give the beggar money? Valentine gave the beggar money because the beggar was blind, and Valentine was a kind, soft-hearted man who had often thought about the problems of the blind people. वैलेंटाइन ने बेगर को पैसे दिए थे क्योंकि वो काइंड थे और ब्लाइंड लोगों के प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोचते थे. Is it a good thing to give money to beggars? No, it's not a good thing because people can misuse the money. Instead of money, we should give them food or something useful to them. Reference to context. This was like a flash of light in Valentine's head. Whose words are triggered the flash of light in Valentine's head? The blind beggar's word triggered the flash of light in the Valentine's head. What had the person done before this? The Valentine had given the beggar a franc instead of sou just before this, and the beggar had pointed this out. बेगर ने ये बात वैलेंटाइन को बताई कि उसने स्यू देने के बजाय फ्रैंक दिया है उसे. What did the Valentine think about after this? After this, Valentine thought if the blind could distinguish at the slightest touch the value of the coin, they should be able to distinguish any sign as long as it is raised. Working with words. Choose the words or the phrases of your own and use them in place of the italicized words in the sentence below. It was getting dark and he was in a neighborhood he was not very familiar with. Answer. It was getting dark and he was in a neighborhood not well known to him. Second. The blind beggar mumbled his thanks and Valentine walked away. The blind beggar muttered his thanks and Valentine strode off. Surely, sir, said the beggar, who was an honest man. Surely, sir, said the beggar, who was a truthful man. Valentine was astonished. Answer. Valentine was surprised. If the blind can distinguish at the least touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark, a letter, or a figure? Answer. If the blind can make out at the slightest touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark, letter, or a figure? With the help of money donated by the public, Valentine Howe was able to start a school for blind. With the help of a public contribution donation, Valentine Howe was able to start a school for blind. Learning about language. Change the following into indirect speech. You fool, he said. He called me a fool. Answer. He said good afternoon. Answer. He wished me a good afternoon. Happy birthday, he cried. Answer. He wished me a happy birthday. Congratulations on passing your exam, he said. Answer. He congratulated me on passing the exam. Have a good trip, he said. He wished me a good trip. Conjunctions. Now join the sentences below using the conjunctions as for since or while. The sun was very hot. Full stop. It was still summer. Answer. The sun was very hot, for it was still summer. She can find the way She is so clever. She can find the way as she is so clever. He began to get frightened. It was getting dark. He began to get frightened since it was getting dark. Mona read a book. The baby slept. Answer. Mona read a book while the baby slept.